Hi, I'm Donald with Steambrite Supply, and today we're going to run another test. We're going to take the CleanStorm 12-6800 800 PSI carpet cleaning machine and try it with a tile cleaning spinner tool. Now this is a TurboForce TH40 rental unit. It's a used unit that we have here for rent. We changed the nozzles out to 15015, so we'll see what the total flow rate of an 03 does with this unit. So you can see it's at 800 PSI, and then when I squeeze the device, it does spin around, and it maintains about 650 PSI. So it's actually the same performance as the default jets were, just using the tool normally. Naturally, I'm not using any vacuum because I just was running a test to see if it was possible to actually do some pressure washing with it. And you could do some tile cleaning with this machine, just a little slower than the high pressure units. Anyway, thanks for watching.